Today I will show you how to get a huge number of COD points and credits in a Call of Duty mobile in one simple step. Specially for you, I've created a tweaked version of the game which contains 10k credits and 1k COD points. All you have to do is install the Call of Duty Mobile Tweaked Edition APK. First we need to go to apkheaven.club and there select the Call of Duty mobile icon. Then click Start Injection. The site analyzes the current version of the game and adds COD points and credits to Call of Duty Mobile Mod. Then choose the version of our operating system and click Continue. The site checks our device for compatibility. If everything is okay, we will receive this message. Now all you have to do is complete one offer or download one application and follow the instructions. After completing the offer, you will be automatically redirected to the page with the Call of Duty mobile mod file. Now you only need to download the application, log into your account and enjoy free COD points and credits.